Follow me at one LUHHMAR.
She want me to kill this because she killing hers.
Drop down. I'm in the comments scouting for y'all.
Taking a nigga bitch in real life. CYB, follow me, SONCYB, man.
No play. Bitch, myself. Let's see how she pull off. Hold on.
Real street nigga.
Real
I
quick.
buy by the coke. Showing your bitch, I know that she gon' go.
Here we go. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Erin Antonia, and I'm back with another video. If y'all ain't check out my last video that I just posted, then why are you watching me right now? Y'all need to stop this video and go check out that video. It's 24 hours in Dallas, and we was up, y'all. Like, we was clocking the tea, okay? But anyways, y'all, so today I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit. I might vlog like half a day or something like that. So I just left the store. As y'all can see, I just left Beauty Master. I'm really finna go sneak up on my sister at work and, you know, just bother her a little bit. Y'all, so let's head to South Lake. Let's go catch the vibes. The vibes. I'm just playing. It don't be no vibes at South Lake. And I don't want no vibes. Y'all want me a man. But God gon', you know, it ain't my time. God go put him in my life when I least expect it. So hopefully when I least expect it, I still got some feelings left in me. Okay? But yeah, y'all, let's head to South Lake. Let's go bother some people, I guess. So yeah, I'm out. Alright, y'all, so I made it to South Lake in good hands. Okay, but yeah, y'all, let me just play our unreleased real quick. Like, don't play with us. If y'all ain't catch the song at the end of the video, we really got a problem. Like, I'm not cool with y'all. Y'all need to go listen to it. But let me just play it for y'all real quick, okay? This that unreleased. We was in Dallas. We said, let's catch the vibes and record a song. So here we go. Shout out to the stew. And yeah, here we go. Them people outside my car probably like, she jamming in this bitch. Yes, this the motherfucker release, y'all. We up in Dallas, we finna get naughty. We finna throw a party. I'm about to throw this ass. I'm finna spend some cash. It's Avery season, it's a birthday bash, bitch. It's a birthday bash. Fresh off the plane, Dallas know my name. Steady throwing bands, ayy. And season up. Feeling hella stuck. Erica, show us up.
Can't let you be my baby mama. Whip it out, it's on your last. Fit up from the back, you keep the BBL. I'm full of plastic. Feel like baby pockets for the shit get heavy. Got me sagging. No, I don't play about myself. I'm slime for E, I'm pistol crashing.
Really in Dallas, Queenie in this bitch. I'm with the shit. E24, so you know we gon' be lit. Off 1942, I'm with the crew. Happy birthday, bitch. Shout out to you. Here I go, y'all. Here I go. What? Okay, it's my sister's birthday. She the baddest bitch. Everybody in the city know we get lit. Gon' shake this ass. You know you the shit. Bad bitch party. I'm a rich nigga Barbie. Keep some bottles of the Migos. Blunts come in trios. And we looking for the freak hoes. Yeah. And I ain't gonna count. That song was lit. Like, don't play with us. But anyways, let's get serious. Yeah, that was the song. That was the unreleased. And don't play with us because we really that girl. Like, yeah. And we looking for the freak hoes. Yeah. Now I like the part when I was like, blunts come in trios and we looking for the freak hoes. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'll be back. It's hot. Oh, y'all, it's hot. Summer is here. It's May 2nd. Let me see how hot it is outside, y'all. Let's see, because I'm really burning up. Y'all, it's 85. And tell me why I was gonna come out the house with a hoodie on. I would have been somewhere passed out for real. Like, Passed out. But yeah, y'all. Keep the bottles of the Migos blunts come in trios. And we looking for the freak hoes. Yeah. Alright, bye. Vlog. I told y'all I was coming up here. You know, Suja got done locking somebody up.
I'm not gonna lock them up.
I already told them you do locks, bitch. The fuck? Anyways, y'all, we at South Lake.
Back with the vlog and drop the video.
Yep. I done dropped that video, y'all. Now I'm back.
It's just one of them days.
So fucking funny, bro.
Y'all, damn. Y'all follow me at one little mark. 1LUHHMARC.
You could at least took the food out your mouth and kind
Oh,
of
God. Like, got yourself
made it a little
together.
presentable.
Put motion in there.
You know I'm on the block, nigga. You don't know nothing about this.
I really
It
don't.
before y'all time.
Before my time.
Yeah, it before your time.
When this came out.
Bro, I was going to house parties in Atlanta when that shit came out.
You one of the ones.
A house
I know what time it was.
Why you looking so serious?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know what's going on.
What do you have to say to my YouTube?
Don't believe the hype. That's how you get caught into shit. Type shit.
YouTube, if y'all think he cute, drop down below.
Type shit.
Type shit.
Just drop down. I'm in the comments scouting for y'all.
Yeah, he gonna be checking. He gonna be looking now. So put like a, what color heart should they put? What emoji?
Put a gray heart. That's how I'm gonna know it's for me.
It's a gray heart?
Exactly. See?
Put down a gray heart. If it's not a gray heart, y'all put a red heart down. A full.
You gonna play me like they don't got gray hearts.
I don't know.
You finna see hella gray hearts.
Y'all think I should go like, what color y'all think I should dye my hair? All blonde or keep it the same?
Fuck the lens.
You just gonna waste the battery.
Fuck the screen.
That's you. Damn. That shit. Wow.
Your YouTube will be so awkward. Like,
Exactly. You didn't even say shit.
you gotta
I gotta see how it looks like shit.
Chris did it better.
Exactly.
I actually watch his like.
So I'm saying, appreciate it.
I would.
Appreciate it.
I'm more of a
He did.
I'm more of a send the car with black gloves on type of nigga. Alright, turn it off.
You gotta be like this. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm in Motion Day. Got my boys with me. There go Chris. There go Ro. We gonna call him Roro today, y'all. We gonna call him Roro today. But yeah, we just kicking shit, really.
Tight shit.
What's up, vlog? This is pre-Cinco de Mayo, hoes. The fuck? Yeah. Left pocket on 50, right pocket got blues in it. I'm walking in the damn. He ain't running up a bag, he running down now. I'm Mr. Beat the Road. Alright, bye. Okay, vlog, so we finna get something to eat real quick. We at what's this place called? Let me just flip the camera, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got our drinks going. You know, we gotta get a quick little boomy for it. Gotta do my little boomerang, y'all. But yeah, y'all. Cheers, bitch. I'm supposed to make it clean. Oh. Fingers. Alright.
You're not getting nothing.
Alright, y'all, this all I got left in me. She want me to kill this because she killing hers. But I don't care. Like, I can't do it, y'all. I can't do it. It's a no for me. I'm a drinker, but it's a no. This all I got in me. See?
A few moments later.
Alright, vlog. She getting ready for that formal, y'all. Gotta get her right. Anna, let me see them hands.
Yep, you pull it.
Okay.
And then, so open it.
You know, we said 8th grade formal. We going like this each occasion, y'all. Each occasion.
I got you.
Okay. Let's see how she pull off. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see how she pull off.
No, she don't know what she's doing.
Look at her. Let's see how she pull off. Hey.
She know what she's doing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
I did 3.
She okay, you guys. We're leaving. We're leaving Papa Doors.
Yeah, send me y'all pictures.
Send me your pictures. Yes.
Okay. I might drive down there tomorrow.
Oh, okay. She might.
Get my hair fixed.
Fricks?
What fix? It's that drink.
You ain't even drink all of it.
Kill me. Like, what?
I'm a city girl.
Is this some money?
Is she okay?
Y'all already know.
Yeah, city girl.
No, your money on sale. You need to
I'm
read the card.
to the city girl. Now he's trying to do too much.
Cut up in the hood.
What you telling them?
Yeah, man, you know, fast shit out summer, man. Y'all know what going on, man. We had an SRT scat packs. We had an SRT Jeeps and shit, man. Y'all know what going on, man. You dig? Oh, y'all subscribe to one little name, man. One LILNAN, man.
Bitch,
Yeah,
myself.
I'm scared of shit in there. You know I was talking shit.
I already know.
The whole video.
She wasn't scared.
Oh, Aaron?
ahead. Go ahead.
Y'all gonna follow me too, man. I be fucking up, man. SON2IB, man. Y'all gonna follow my shit.
Yeah.
Baby Tracky, man.
Yeah.
Big shit going on.
Y'all stay tuned for the content. Yeah. Yeah. Stop fucking playing. Y'all, people cannot drive like on Tara. Like this car right here just almost tried to run me off the road. Like, I don't know if I'm over exaggerating, but no, like, don't hit my shit, ho. I need to get me one of them things, y'all, that record the outside of your car. Let's try to beat the traffic on Tara. Let's see. You know what's so it's like different cars. This shit hard. I ain't gonna cap. Hey.
Got the camera going.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Over 700 horsepower, all-wheel drive.
Really?
Yeah. It's got a Hellcat motor in it.
It like, I don't know how to put it, but it go down and it come. It fast.
Damn.
What about the TRX? What you think about the TRX?
We got a guy in our car club that has one. It's unreal. He took off one time and got it 6 inches off of the front end, 6 inches off the ground. Not this one, but a TRX, yeah. That's over 700 horsepower too.
Oh yeah, this nice. So y'all, this might be my future car. I'm finna ride in this truck and go around. Let me stop. Okay. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. No, I like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Why you like this?
Cause it got that.
You got that shit hard. Oh, that shit hard as fuck.
Oh God. Can I get inside of it and touch it?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Oh God.
You don't want to get.
Oh God.
Fighting me out this bitch.
That's hard though. I should have brought my Honda. What was that?
You didn't watch Kim Possible?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna say, all right.
Y'all look at this, Kim Possible. I don't even want to step on this. Like, it's too clean. Ooh, look at this one. What's this one? This one like, okay. Look at you, you know your stuff. I love the, like, the motor and stuff. Yeah, I know about motors.
I just know this bitch get hot though.
When your dad work on cars, so you know about cars. Anyways, oh, this is a regular car.
Oh, okay, cool.
Ooh! Oh my God, look. This scared me. This scared me. If I touch it, y'all think it's gonna jump out? Yeah, don't touch it.
Seeing that shit at a red light will freak me out. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, you my stuff. To YouTube.
Yeah, man, y'all gonna follow one little name, one LILNAN. You did? Yeah.
Man, I'm really taking a nigga bitch in real life. TYB, go follow me. SON2IB, man. Shit.
No play. Turn around. Y'all need to come to Motion. They got some nice shoes. Like, they got everything you need. Like, one-stop shop. Can you tell us what you got?
What I got? I go Baconator from Wendy's.
No.
With some nuggets.
No.
Oh, y'all know Wendy's had a 50 nugget.
So why? What you say?
Yeah, I got you.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Like in? So
flip the camera up.
So you might as well do a fit of the day.
Okay. What we doing?
Fit of the day. Let's do it.
Okay.
How you got?
So today I got on this.
No, you got to start from the bottom.
Oh, so at the bottom I got on some Jordans. I don't know what kind of Jordans. I bought these here.
Canvas for it. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. And then I got on some leggings. Real comfy.
Giving cheap.
No, I want sit the camera up. I wanted something comfy, like, you know, just come out, just let everybody know you could wake up and wear this.
Yeah, real cheap.
Anyways, and then I got on creative.
Where the fuck that is? Damn.
See, you know, breaking stuff.
Proper shit.
So you see, it gives.
Okay. Type shit.
Now get on your feet.
Go undefeated. Denim tears.
Okay.
And Glock. Yeah, you got your bag.
Oh yeah.
Go your bag type shit. Yeah. That's it.
That's it. Okay. There you go. It's propped up now. See, I ain't been here in a minute because.
Hey man, she went to a car meet earlier.
I did.
So we gotta do POV remote and the Charger RT.
Okay. So that's what you getting? Y'all, when he get his new car, we gonna like take it for. I'm gonna take it for a spin, right? No, I can't just.
That's not the goal. The goal is just cruise, late night drive.
Late night drive.
St. Indian, I think. Cruise. Damn, where the rosary at? She out there, bitch. I'm glad.
Go 50,000 on the chain.
Dancing shot. That shit. One choker.
Teddy bear.
She go, damn, your collar loose as fuck. Damn. Look at that shit.
Now
he wanna spread his
that nigga bad cost a nigga mortgage. Okay, he go denim tears on the pants. The real ones too.
I guess.
The real ones. Undefeated.
It's okay, they ain't all that.
Yeah. Look at that angle. Then he go in Glock we trust on the top. Dog shit. Come on, man. He got ski masks on his shit too. Just he gotta go on the drill. And we out.